What are you doing today to set yourself up for financial independence tomorrow? It's a vital question that you do need to ask yourself, because if you're not careful, your future could sneak up on you and you might find yourself broke and full of regrets. But don't worry, this isn't about fear, it's about taking action. Let me show you exactly what successful people do early in their lives to avoid being broke later in life. Let's start with the biggest mistake I see people make, and that is not investing early enough. I get it, investing can feel intimidating, but here's the truth. Every year you delay, you're losing out on this thing called compound growth. Now, compound interest is what takes a small amount of money and turns it into something massive over time. Imagine investing just £200 a month starting at the age of 50. By 65, you could have over £53,000, and that's assuming a modest return of 5%. But here's the other side. Let's say you started investing earlier, at the age of 35. Well, you'll be investing for 30 years, which will give you $163,000. That's 3 times more. So the longer you wait, the harder your money needs to work. And that's fine. We can help you with that, of course, no problem. However, the key is always to start now. Today is always the best time to start. Now, the second thing successful people do is prioritize learning. You see, education doesn't stop when you leave school. In fact, your real financial education starts when you decide to grow your money. And that's why I've always allocated at least 10% of my income to my learning pot. Whether it's courses, books, or mentorships, these are investments in yourself. They help you make smarter decisions with your money, because the bigger you grow, well, the bigger your investment pot grows. Here's the truth. If you're spending every penny you earn, you're living a dangerous financial life. The key is to keep your expenses at around 55% of your income, not 100%, and that leaves room for investing, saving, and enjoying life responsibly. So here's what you can do. Track your spending for 1 month. You'll be shocked, and I mean shocked, at how much goes to things that you don't actually need. Cut back on those daily lattes and impulse buys and redirect your money into your investment pot. Come on, we need to start investing. So speaking of investing, let's talk about your investment pot. This is non-negotiable if you want to avoid being broke in your future. Set aside at least 15%. Come on, you can do it. I'll get as close to 15% as you can. Every month, 15% of your income, okay, for investments. Now, it doesn't matter if you start with index funds, stocks, or even cryptos. The point is to start. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Successful people don't see money as something to spend. They see it as a tool to grow. So we need to shift our thinking. You see, every pound that you earn should have a purpose, whether it's working for you in an investment or growing your knowledge and securing your future. So here's the question. What will you do today to make sure your older self is financially secure? Will you start investing, learn new skills, or finally cut back on unnecessary expenses? Your future is being written right now. Don't leave it to chance. Take control, and I promise you'll thank yourself later. I hope you found this helpful, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.